I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Lutz, Florida. We're gonna be doing a house wash here for a returning customer. Actually, this is a realtor of mine that she gives me a lot of work. Me and my son just did her house last week, and this is her parents' house. So therefore, we're gonna get this all cleaned up. They're on a corner lot, so we have a lot of sidewalks, a long walkway, the driveway, the house wash, and a small patio in the back. I appreciate all y'all support. Thank you for everybody that tuned in for the 10K giveaway live we did. Congratulations to all the winners. Man, soon we're gonna do another one, man. Hopefully I add more spots. We had 5 winners, so congratulations, guys. So let's go check this job out and see what we got going on. So this is the sidewalks here. Pretty dirty. Definitely gonna have the post treat. So I'm not even gonna worry about lines or trying to get them out. Driveway's pretty dirty. This is the house right here. Got some algae on the chimney. The windows are pretty dirty. So the windows, they had to trim the bushes back a lot of places around the house, but we're gonna get them all cleaned up. Like I said, it's a long sidewalk, goes all the way around, a little bit past that tree. They do have rust stains from the fertilizer and the grass, but we're not doing that today. We're just gonna be doing a regular cleaning. This is the inside portion of the house. Over here we got some algae on the fascia. Nothing too heavy. There's gonna be a lot of surface cleaning. The property line goes all the way up to right here. So we're gonna be cleaning all of that all the way around. Show you guys the back. So this is the back of the house. It's not really that bad. We got a small patio over here we're gonna clean up. Get that cleaned up right there. Everything's gonna be done through the downstream injector. Dropping it straight in the SH, no diluting. Gonna be pulling it straight out of the SH tank. The downstream injector mixes it for me. I don't have to do anything else. Besides that, we're just gonna apply the chemical. I'm gonna apply from the front of the house corner, hit the driveway, hit all this flat work, let that dwell. And I'm gonna go rinse the house from the back, come back around, and then start surface cleaning. All right, you guys, I appreciate y'all's support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section. Somebody may have the same questions you wanna ask, so go ahead and ask them here, all right? We're gonna start downstreaming in this corner here. Let's go get it. We just got the front area is soaped up. Everything up here is soaped up. Sidewalks as well. Now we're just gonna soap out the back. This is not a big house, so I'm able to soap the whole thing and rinse the whole thing without the windows drying. Plus it's a cool day out here today. We don't really have that much sun, so we can get away with it today. All right, we got everything soaked up all the way around. Remember, we started on the outside of this gate here. This one doesn't open, so everything over here is soaked up all the way to the front. These windows are kind of bad. Some of the stuff is probably old paint from rubbing off. Cause you can see down there, it's bare paint. But this stuff here, it's coming off like butter. So we're gonna switch to rinse mode, and then give everything a rinse going to the front. I'm gonna bring my surface cleaner back here. So while I'm back here, I can go ahead and knock out this little pad. All right, let's go. You guys, we got the the house washed. It's a couple of spots. Got a spot treat with the straight SH around the windows. I'm gonna go ahead and do the surface cleaning, and I'll touch those up when I'm rinsing up. We knew we was gonna have some tinting stains. I thought it was gonna be worse, but it's not that bad. Got a couple little stains here that we gotta pick up and get them out of there. But besides that, the driveway looks pretty good. The sidewalks are the worst. I mean, you can see my lines from a mile away. See all them lines? I'm not gonna fight with them trying to get them out of there. It's just the concrete is really dirty. I'm just gonna post treat that, and then it'll be that, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep on working around the building, like that sidewalk out, and we should be out of here soon, man. Right now it's 11:36. I got here at like 10 o'clock. Probably start around 10 after, maybe 10:15. You guys, I just ran out of water. I guess we got a low flow home, so therefore what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use the soft wash system to go ahead and post-treat the areas that has the tinning stain while my tank fills up. Nature of the beast, man. Camera?
Oh, you're doing a video?
Yes, sir.
Curious.
I have a YouTube channel, and I teach people how to pressure wash and do roof cleaning, pavement.
Oh, I do it. I know. I don't do roof cleaning, but I do pressure washing.
Okay.
I was just curious.
No problem. Now everything is clean. Just gonna put a post treatment down. The orange stain is not gonna go away unless we treat it, and pressure washing doesn't take it off. It's not part of the service, so but I post treat it for the tinning stains that's left over. That's part of pressure washing. And you don't have to rinse this off, just let it dry on the concrete. It ain't gonna hurt the concrete. Just let it dry. All right, I'm gonna pack it up. Now see y'all on the recap. All right, you guys, let's do a full recap of everything we did today. That was a whole lot of concrete. So let's check it out. So this is the driveway here. Post treated that. Sidewalks. That's from where I rinse. The water runs down the driveway. It's not dirty. Check out the walkway. Just post treated that right now. You guys saw that. So that's still drying up. Check out the house. Everything's nice and clean. These gutters were bad up here, but you know, you see them. Let's go check out the back. You guys know the windows were really bad earlier, so the windows are looking good. Patio looking good. Yes, sir. Whew. That was a long one. 2 hours and 45 minutes to do everything. Right now I'm about to go meet up with Jamie to finish the welding of the brace around my tanks on the flatbed. We're supposed to get with each other about 1 o'clock. So once I get there, we're gonna film a little something for you guys. See y'all when I get there. Hi you guys, we're at the truck right now. Jamie is getting this set up. Like I say, all we're doing today is just putting a brace around the tanks so nothing moves around. So it's gonna have a cage around it. No ratchet straps. All right guys, we're all finished with that part of the build. I just got done getting these things put in. So now the tanks are secured, they don't move or nothing. I may be able to even mount some stuff into it, like my Flow Pro, so I can see the strobe lights when I'm renting the house. So most likely that's gonna be mounted onto there. But you guys can see everything looks pretty good. Everything is braced. I'm able to move this tank in and out. I can move it up if I need to pull it out. It's like maybe 1/4 of an inch play. So you know, if I need to remove it or clean it out anyway. But as far as the IBC totes go, they can't go nowhere. They're locked in. Jamie does it again. Dynamic Mobile Welding. Give him a call if you need any fabrication work. Y'all, well, that was a long day. I'm gonna go ahead and go do an estimate, and I'll be done for the day. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.